In this video, I will show you how you can make $100 per day on YouTube by simply uploading meditation and mindfulness videos. And the good news is that you can do this completely free. Stick around to the end of this video to see how it's done. There are many channels on YouTube that make thousands of dollars just by posting simple videos with relaxing music. The meditation and mindfulness niche is hot, and many people love to listen to relaxing music while practicing yoga or taking part in a meditation session. Let me show you a few of these channels, and how much they make every month with AdSense ads on their videos. One of the popular channels on YouTube is Yellow Brick Cinema. They have over 4 million subscribers, and all they do is upload simple videos with relaxing music. Let's have a closer look at their stats on the Social Blade website. We can see that this channel gets around 100,000 subscribers every month, and the video views are also amazing. Let's check how much money this channel makes every month with Google AdSense ads that are being displayed on their videos. The estimated monthly earnings are between $9,000 and $150,000. And this is just for showing AdSense ads on their videos. I'm not counting in the affiliate product sales that they promote in the description of their videos. Another channel that makes videos with relaxing music is Soothing Relaxation. They have over 6 million subscribers, and if we go over to Social Blade to check their stats, you can see that they are also making between $18,000 and $290,000 every month just from showing ads on their videos. These channels also promote meditation CDs, instructional videos, yoga courses and many other programs, and they make even more money doing this. And you can easily make your own YouTube meditation channel. There is a free option to do this, and a paid way, if you don't want to do the work yourself. But before you start a new YouTube channel, please don't think that you will make thousands of dollars of AdSense revenue with just a few videos. It will take time to build a popular channel. Success doesn't come overnight. If anyone tells you that you can become a millionaire with no work, they are just lying. But those big meditation channels also started with one video once and 0 subscribers. But they didn't give up. They added more and more videos, used the right keywords, slowly growing a loyal subscriber base and never gave up. And now they make millions of dollars, so you see that it can be done. Post videos on a regular basis, and in the long run, YouTube will reward you if you keep sending people to their platform to watch your videos. And the good news is that you can do this without showing your face in your videos, and without any copywriting or script reading. Just pick some free stock video footage, add free music, and upload the videos to YouTube. I will show you where to get free videos, photos and music to create these simple meditation videos, but before we go there, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to make more money making videos for you, and if you hit the notification bell, you will be the first to hear when I drop a new video. Thanks for your support. Okay, to make meditation or relaxing videos you need 2 things, video and music. The first site is Pexels.com. Pexels is a royalty-free stock website where you can download free videos and photos for your projects. Type in the keyword relaxing, and a list with beautiful videos that you can download for free will show up. Just hit the download link to get the file to your hard drive. You can pick as many videos as you wish and you never have to pay a cent for them. Another good site to get free videos is Pixabay. Type in the keyword meditation in the search box, and all the videos with that keyword will show up, ready to download, without paying for them. No attribution is needed so you are safe to use them on YouTube. Another site to download free videos is Vidivo. Some videos are for paid members only, but videos which are marked as free can be downloaded without a membership, and you need to credit the author of the video if you will use the video on YouTube. I will put links to all the websites in this video in the description box below, so you can easily access the sites later. Next, you need some music to add to your videos. The best place to download free royalty-free music is in YouTube itself. Go to the audio library, and you will see a list with free music that you can use in your videos. Select the right music by using the filter. Let's select the ambient genre, and for the mood setting select calm and hit apply. A list with all the music that qualifies for your search will show up. Make sure to also select attribution not required, so you don't need to give credit to the composer. Another place to download free music is Mixkit. Search for meditation to see a list with music that you can download for free. No attribution is required, you just can't sell the music on CD or DVD, use it in video games, or broadcast it on TV or radio. There are many other places where you can find relaxing meditation music, like Fiverr. Do a search for meditation music, and you'll find plenty of sellers who will make music for your videos for a low fee. Now, once you have a selection of videos, and the right music, it's time to put them together in a video editing program. The video software that you will use to create your meditation videos is also free to download. In fact, there are two simple programs that I want to tell you about. The first one is OpenShot. This is open source software, and very easy to use, even if you have no previous video editing experience. Search for an OpenShot tutorial on YouTube to get started fast. The other program is called HitFilm Express. It's similar to OpenShot, but has some more options. It's free to download from the FX Home website. You can choose to support the developers of the software, but if you don't want to do that, just move the slider to the left and you will be taken to a registration page. Fill in your details, and when done, you can download the software for free and install it on your computer. If you are new to video editing, you can find some good tutorials on YouTube. Just type HitFilm Express tutorial to learn the basics in a few minutes. All you need to do now is import your video and audio files in the software, and upload the video to YouTube when done. Create a new video. Select the video files you need for the project, and add them to the timeline. Next, import the audio file. You can match the audio and video by pushing the green bar at the end of the video. Once you are satisfied with the result, save it and export the file into MP4 format. When done, you can upload the video to YouTube. It's really simple, you can create a meditation video in only a few minutes, and upload 5 or 10 or more videos to YouTube per day if you have the time. However, I recommend you to upload only one video per day to not annoy your subscribers. From here on, it's a numbers game. The more videos you upload to your channel, the more chance your videos will get views, resulting in more subscribers. Remember that to be able to display AdSense ads in your videos, you need at least 4,000 watch hours, and 1,000 subscribers. But once the ball gets rolling, there's no stopping it. Your channel will take off, and grow on autopilot, without you doing much work. And you don't have to profit from AdSense alone. You can also promote affiliate offers and products that will interest your subscribers. ClickBank has a lot of meditation products that will pay you a nice commission when people buy them. Check out the marketplace, and search the self-help section. Here you will find some great products that your subscribers may find useful, and when they buy from your affiliate link, you get a commission. Most people who are into meditation and mindfulness are trying to improve their lives, and these ClickBank products will help them with it. Put your affiliate link in the description box below your videos. It only takes a few seconds to insert a link, and you can make a lot of money when you start getting thousands of subscribers on your channel. And why not sell your meditation videos online? I have a video on my channel with a list of 15 websites that allow you to sell digital products. I will leave the link in the description box. If you don't want to make your own videos because you don't have the time, or if you are really lazy, you can also buy ready-made meditation videos. Here's a store on Tradebit that sells guided meditation videos for a small fee. You can download these videos, edit and change them if you like, insert your channel name, add your own intro to make them unique, and upload them to your YouTube channel. This is a great way to add content to your new channel fast to get those 4,000 hours watch time quick, and I will drop the link in the description box below. Another place to buy meditation videos is Fiverr. Go to the Fiverr website, and search for meditation videos. A whole list with sellers will pop up, and for a small price, you can buy complete videos for adding on your channel. You can also buy pre-written guided meditation audio lessons online. Here's an example of a seller on Gumroad who will give you 5 meditation audios with scripts, voices and music that you can buy for any price you like. You can use these audios to create guided meditation videos. Simply add some free video stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay along with the audio file, export to MP4 format, and upload the videos to your channel. Okay, we're done. Thanks for watching to the end. I hope you found my information useful. If you did, please leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be the first to hear when I drop a new video. If you have any questions or comments, please drop them in the comments section, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Have a wonderful day.